Good evening, students. Now we are going to see about the coordination chemistry. So unit number 5. It contains the volume 1, page number 131 to 167. What is the meaning of coordination chemistry? Coordination means the hold and to arrange. That means one metal attached with ligands or ions, anything else. So one metal attached with ions enclosed in square brackets. That's called coordination. So coordination means, what is coordination? Hold metal, hold and attached with ligands. That means ions are groups of atom, etc. It is differ from ionic and covalent bonds. What is ionic bond? Example, sodium chloride. Dissociate is Na plus and Cl minus ions. So it gives dissociate, it gives sodium cations and halide chloride anions. So the both cation and anion attached with a single covalent bond, that called ionic bond. What is covalent bond? Example, H2. It gives H plus cation, also H plus cations. So the hydrogen gas, the hydrogen molecule dissociate, it give two same type of cations. Then another one example, Cl2. It dissociate, it gives Cl minus ions, also Cl minus ions. So the two same charged ions, cation and anion, the same charged ions, the mutual sharing of same charged ions gives a single bond is called covalent bond. So the ionic bond is same charged, other different charged ions combine to form ionic bond. Covalent bond means mutual sharing of electrons with the same charged ions. Then what is coordinate covalent bond? Coordinate covalent bond, example, boron trifluoride with aluminum chloride. Here the boron trifluoride accept the electron from aluminum chloride. So it does not donate the electron to aluminum chloride. It only gain the electron from aluminum chloride. So one compound is the donor, one is acceptor. So the donor and acceptor has the bond is called coordinate covalent bond. We denote like this arrow mark. So all of you understand the types of ionic bond, covalent bond, coordinate covalent bond. Just remember. It's a coordinate complexes which are role in biological function, a wide range of catalytic application in chemical industries. From this unit, we study the nature, bonding, nomenclature, isomerism and application of the coordination compounds. Okay. Now I gave some intro. Salt. Comparison of salt. The differentiate between salt, double salt and coordination compounds. Salt. What is salt? The strong acid neutralized with strong base. So neutralized means we lose the water molecules. Then the balanced compound is sodium chloride. The strong acid neutralized with a strong base, it give a sodium chloride is the salt. It gives the dissociation of sodium chloride salt gives Na plus cations and Cl minus ions. Na plus ions and Cl minus ions. Like another one example, barium chloride. It gives Ba2 plus ions. Where is from this 2? This 2 is the valence electron of barium. This cross here. So this 2 goes here. Plus Cl minus ions. How many molecules of chloride ions? This 2 Cl minus. So balance it. Okay. It is just a salt. Sodium chloride salt dissociated own ions Na plus and Cl minus ions. Barium chloride gives barium 2 plus ions and 2 Cl minus ions. Not cross agudo. Okay. Double salt. What is double salt? The stable compounds. 2 or more stable compounds. Example, more salt. Stable more or two or more stable compounds combined. Ferrous sulfate, EQ mole of ferrous sulfate and ammonium sulfate in crystallized form. It is called more salt. We will dissociate this. It gives ferrous sulfate is a single salt, ammonium sulfate is a single salt. Both single salt combine to form a double salt. All of you understand? Okay. We dissociate this Fe 2 plus cations, SO4 2 minus is anion. Then this simple salts dissociate to give ammonium plus cation plus SO4 2 minus anions. What is the difference between simple salt and double salt? Simple salt it dissociate, it gives its own constituent single cation as well as single anion. But the double salt dissociate gives own constituent ions but give a 2 cations and 2 anions. Okay. Next we go to the study of coordination compounds. Coordination compound, for example, K4, Fe, CN6. Already I told to you, we focus this unit only the square bracket. Square bracket consists metal atom attached with ions. That means ligands. Okay. So coordination compounds like salt and double salt, we dissociate, it gives the ions. Here we dissociate like this, K plus, Fe plus, Cn minus, but that's not possible here. Then how it is split up? It gives the outer ion is the cation, the first ion. Already we know that the one is the cation, another one is the second part is the anion. So K plus is the cation, Fe, Cn6, 4 minus is the anion. This compound like this, A4B. How will you split? A plus plus B minus. B has the valence electron 1. This go here plus 1. B has the valence electron 4. This 4 goes here. A plus B 4 minus. Okay. So we split this compound like this method. K plus FeCN6 4 minus. So we has the one cation and one anionic complex. I tell you the another one example. Cu, Cl4, SO4. Okay. How will you split? Cu, Cl4 plus SO4 2 minus. The first part is the cation, second part is the anion. First part is the cationic complex. So here the coordination compound dissociate, it gives the one is the ion, another part is the complex that has the positive charge, cationic complex, anion, anionic complex, neutral charge, neutral complex. Okay. All of you understand the difference between simple salt, double salt, coordination compounds? Okay. Simple salt அப்படினா sodium chloride example எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம்னா அது dissociate ஆகுது Na plus Cl minus ions. So ஒரு cation ஒரு anion அப்படி மட்டும் தான் ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். இதே double salt அப்படினா அதுல 2 simple salt combine பண்றோம். So அதுல 2 cations 2 anions ஃபார்ம் ஆகலாம். Coordination compounds நம்ம dissociate பண்ணோம் அப்படினா அது ஒரு ion single ionையும் இன்னொன்னு complex ionையும் தான் எப்படி ஆகும் dissociate ஆகுமே தவிர நமக்கு அந்த complexல இருக்கிற metal தனியா ions தனியா என்ன பண்ணாது dissociate ஆகாது. Next part we know some terms for this chapter. Coordination entity, central atom ion, ligands, coordination sphere, coordination polyhedron, coordination number, oxidation state. What is coordination entity? First, for example, K4, Fe, Cn6. Here, the answer for this complex is Fe, Cn6, 4 minus. What do you understand here? This metal atom attached with ligands, that means group of ions or atom enclosed in square bracket is the coordination entity. So what is coordination entity? Central atom like metal attached with ligands like ion or neutral molecule enclosed in square bracket is coordination entity. One example, they ask the question, what is coordination entity of this? So what is the answer? The square bracket is the complex is the answer for this. What is coordination entity? The metal attached with ligands. That is coordination entity. Next, central atom ion. I repeat the same example. Central atom ion. The coordination entity contains the single metal. That's called central atom ion. The central atom surrounded with 6 cyanide ligands. 6 cyanide ligands. So the metal atom surrounded by ligands, that's called central atom or ion. So what is central atom ion? One that occupies the central position in the coordination entity and binds the ligands. So here the cyanide has a nitrogen atom. This nitrogen has one lone pair of electrons. So each cyanide consists one lone pair of electron. This lone pair of electron donate to metal atom. So here the cyanide is the donor, metal atom is the acceptor. It accepts the electron from cyanide ions. So it accepts the electron, that's called Lewis acid. So what is central atom? The coordination entity has the first position of metal, that's called central atom. Second point, what is Lewis acid? The electron acceptor is called Lewis acid. Here metal accepts the electron from cyanide ligands, that's called Lewis acid. Next, ligands. What is ligand? In coordination entity, the metal attached with group of ions or atoms like this, that's called ligands. Atom or groups of atom bound to the central atom or ion. So one example, cyanide. Here the ligand is cyanide. It has 6 cyanide ligands. Okay. Next, donor atom. Here we know one thing. What is donor atom? What is donor? Donor mean donate the electron pair to central metal atom. Who donate the electron? Which one donate the electron? The ligands donate the electron to central metal atom. So the atom in a ligand that is bound directly to the, so here Fe directly connected with cyanide. Here the metal atom connected with carbon. So here the donor atom is carbon. Then we write like this, Nc. The metal atom directly connected with nitrogen atom. So here the donor atom is nitrogen. So coordination entity அப்படினா just a square box. சரியா? Square boxல இருக்கிற metal and ligands அத மட்டும் நம்ம focus பண்றோம். வெளியில இருக்கிற ions என்ன பண்ண மாட்டோம்? Does not consider it. Next central atom and ion அப்படினா அந்த coordination entityல அதாவது அந்த square boxல இருக்கிற metal அத தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம்? Central atom or ion. Ligands அப்படினா அந்த metal attached எந்த அயான் கூட அட்டாச் ஆயிருக்குதோ அதை தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம்? லிகான்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். அது வந்து சிங்கிள் அயானா இருக்கலாம், மல்டி அயான்ஸா இருக்கலாம், எப்படி வேணாலும் இருக்கலாம் லிகான்ஸ். டோனார் ஆட்டம் அப்படிங்கிறது அந்த மெட்டல் எந்த லிகான் கூட அந்த அயான்ல எந்த ஆட்டம் கூட கனெக்ட் ஆயிருக்கும். ஸோ 2 ஆட்டம் இருக்கு, கார்பன் நைட்ரஜன். கார்பன் கூட கனெக்ட் ஆயிருந்தா கார்பன் இஸ் த டோனார் ஆட்டம். நைட்ரஜன் கூட கனெக்ட் ஆயிருந்துச்சுன்னா நைட்ரஜன் இஸ் த டோனார் ஆட்டம். ரைட்? ஓகே. கோஆர்டினேஷன் ஸ்பியர். Coordination sphere similar to coordination entity. Our coordination sphere FeCN6, FeCN6 4 minus. It's a coordination sphere. Then the outer ion is called as counter ion. The outer ion is called as counter ion. We see the another one example, CuCl3 SO4. Here it's a coordination sphere. It's the counter ions. Okay. Next, coordination polyhedron. Coordination polyhedron is the just shape. How will you predict the shape of the complex? Write the example. K4FeCN6. I write the like this. Fe 6 cyanide ions surrounded with metal atom like iron. So it share each cyanide ions share single lone pair of electrons to metal atom. So we form a 6 sigma bonds. Okay, 6 single sigma bonds. So the coordination polyhedron nothing but 3-dimensional spatial arrangement of ligand atom ions directly attached to the central atom. Though here the metal attached with ligands 6 ions, metal surrounded by 6 ions, negative ions. So the coordination polyhedron is octahedral shape. What is the shape? 6. Already we remember the VB theory. Sorry, VSEPR theory. We have a 2 electron, it is the linear position. 4 electron, it is a tetrahedral or a square planar complex. 6 mean octahedral complex. Here the metal attached with 6 charged ions. 6 mean, so answer is 6. It is a octahedral complex. FeCN4. So another one example, the metal attached with 4 cyanide ions. So value is 4. So it is a tetrahedral and square planar complex. Next, coordination number. Coordination number, the metal surrounded by how many ions? That means ligands. That's called coordination number. The equal sum of number of metals surrounded by ions. That's called ligands. That's called coordination number. Here the metal surrounded by 6 cyanide ions. So the coordination number is 6. I tell the another one example. NiEn thrice Cl2. NiEn thrice Cl2. Here, what is the coordination number? So, we write like this: nickel, ethylene diamine. What is the formula of ethylene diamine? Ethylene, 2 carbon, diamine. Here, first position has the one amine group. Second position has the another one amine group. So balance it, CH2, CH2. Say ethylene diamine. This ethylene diamine has 2 donor nitrogen atom. This has the one lone pair of electron. This also has the another one lone pair of electron. So 2 lone pair of electron bind with metal atom. So ethylene diamine, one nitrogen donate the electron pair to this metal. Another nitrogen atom donate the electron pair to the metal. So totally we have 3 ethylene diamine groups. So one ethylene formed 2 bond with nickel. So another ethylene diamine. It is a third ethylene diamine. So totally we count the bond is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 bond. So the coordination number of this complex is 6. So the central metal atom surrounded with ligands. So totally how many bonds will appear? That's called coordination number. Clear? This coordination number you help to predict the coordination polyhedron. Coordination number value is 6 mean it is octahedral geometry. Coordination number value is 4 mean it is a tetrahedral or square planar complex. Okay. Next, oxidation state. Example K4 Fe Cn6. Here we calculate the oxidation state of this central metal atom. So we consider X. We put the value as X for central metal atom. Here the counter ion is potassium. Potassium is the metal. Which metal? Alkali metal. Alkali metal has the value is +1. So 1 potassium has +1. So totally we have the 4 potassium